friends, in this video, we will show you easy art tips and hacks that will take your skills to a new level. Let's start with a simple example of how to draw a beautiful female figure. Mark 5 key points. Draw the outer contour as the author suggests. Done. Now let's look at the perfect example for beginners. The author suggests trying this if you're feeling bored. To do this, you'll need a blank sheet of paper and a gel pen. Start by drawing all the outer contours, then carefully add details. Sketch the top part of the sock, outline the toes and heel, add a pattern as you wish. The result depends on your imagination and precision. Scrap art is perfect for those who love creative drawing. Color a thick sheet of paper with colored pencils. Cover it with a layer of black paint. Use a hard pencil to scrape off the paint, creating lines. Let's consider an example of a simple drawing that will easily impress your friends. Just a few vertical and horizontal lines, shade the corners a bit, and fold it in the middle. Wow, great job, and very simple. In this short tutorial, you'll learn to draw a Christmas tree with decorations. I'm sure your works will be awesome. It's a folding surprise, so fold the paper in a special way first. Now add snow and start drawing the tree from the top, moving towards the trunk. Don't forget to add a cute face. Open the paper, connect the ground, and repeat to create a middle tree for decorations. Add various ornaments and draw the side trees. After detailing, color the drawing, paying attention to the matching colors of the external trees when folding the paper. Done. Have fun drawing Christmas trees. Now let's see how easy it is to draw a rose. Even kids can do it. Start with the petals and move on to the stem. Add thorns and a few leaves. Done. This girl chooses themes using randomly generated emojis. Today it's a robot, a water droplet, and books. Let's see how she draws. Wow, incredibly detailed. The robot is so cute, reading a book while it's raining outside. The entire work is done with a black pen and colored with markers. Let's look at some vivid examples of how to and how not to draw. Comments are unnecessary here. Just compare the top and bottom versions and draw your own conclusions. If you apply these tips in practice, your drawing skills will instantly reach a new level. Strive to move from careless drawing to more professional and realistic artwork. Pay attention to details and practice more. This girl has achieved outstanding results in drawing. Her focus is hyperrealism. What she does is simply incredible. Let's take a closer look at how she achieves such results, and you can try to replicate it yourself. I assure you, it's achievable. Start by finding the object of your attention. A lemon slice is perfect. Then make a light pencil sketch. Outline the main lines, mark the shadows, highlight the curves, add volume, add color to your drawing. Attention. The final touch revealing the main secret. It's simple, just add shadows and highlights. Amazing. This guy has mastered the art of turning text into images. His followers constantly challenge him in the comments. Extensive experience, developed imagination, and creative thinking make him successful in this direction. On our channel, everyone will find something for themselves. If you want to immortalize your drawing, consider using a board instead of paper. Make sure to cover it entirely with paint. This way, markers won't absorb into the wood structure. Then make a pencil sketch, fill in all the elements, and outline them with a black marker. Now let's take a little break and enjoy a fun experiment. This guy draws a cute kitten as he usually does, and he's quite good at it. Then he uses a whirlpool filter and tries to replicate the same thing. It's entertaining.
Cat. It's like a messed up zucchini. Right, put some beers on it. Add some legs. Oh, come on, no, wrong way. Add some legs. I just want to add some legs to my freaking cat. You know what you call a cat with no legs? Doesn't matter what you call it, because it ain't gonna come. Kidding. You're gonna add some eyes. And a nose. And then a mouth. Isn't it the cutest kangaroo you've ever...
This artist shows us that achieving high results doesn't necessarily require precision. Discover a drawing style where paint splatters in all directions. The author applies strokes with ease and nonchalance, as if doing it with a certain carelessness. This is an example for those who don't want to burden themselves with art too much. Take a pencil in hand and follow the artist. Just a few hand movements, and in front of us appears a cute ghost with a balloon. This is anime-style work. It looks simple but very impressive. You'll only need a set of pencils, markers, and a black liner pen. The result is impressive. If you're unsure which style to choose, make a visual comparison like this artist does. He divides the drawing into two parts and, using different techniques, fills one part first, then proceeds to the second. As a result, he can compare two styles and choose the one that suits him. Right now, you'll witness how masterpieces are magically created. I promise the result will captivate you. By using such drawing techniques, you can elevate your creativity to a new level. And now, take a break from regular drawing and play with water droplets. Use a syringe to apply a few droplets of water to the table surface. Grab some colourful markers and get ready for magic. We all know what a regular marker looks like, but what about this? It's also a marker, but a big one. Its main feature is to create broad lines. It probably won't suit regular drawing, but if you need to fill large areas, it's perfect. Do you love cats as much as this artist? Here's a small collection of easy-to-draw cats. The author suggests using them as tattoos on your body. This artist works with oil paints. The painting comes to life right before our eyes. Watching this is a pleasure. Let's enjoy this moment. Let's see how a beginner artist, a professional, and an expert draw. And our compilation concludes with a talented and creative anime-style artist. Subscribe to the channel not to miss anything truly interesting, and check out our next video.